Welcome back to another Tomica video. Here's another batch. It is the Daihatsu Hijet little K van, the Aston Martin DBX, and the Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser we don't get here in the States, but the LX, I guess that's close enough. I'm excited to see the new Land Cruiser, the GX based vehicle. That'll be cool. But we got these today. The Hijet is 1/55th scale. So let's see, I think the biggest one that I have is 1/70th scale. Yeah, that's the shoot. Is it the Hilux? Yeah, the Hilux. So the Hilux is pretty tiny. You put a Outlander next to it and it doesn't look quite right. So the Hilux is 1/70th and the Outlander is actually 1/63rd. So closest to 1/64th scale. So we have the Hijet. I'm going to open this first because it is a goofy size. So it'll be kind of fun to see if it's like really big, even though it's supposed to be a K-van. Whoop. That was clumsy. Alright, this one's probably upright in the packaging. Let's see. And it is. It is upright in the packaging. And it looks really big. He's packed in there. Oh wow, that's a big van. Ooh, the hatch opens. Cool. Alright. Box goes up with the rest of them. And I'm expecting that at some point I'm going to have a box avalanche, but that's fine. So, the Daihatsu Hijet. Pick the camera up a smidge here. That is big. The hatch opens up. Here we go. Let it focus. So you can get a better look at things. There we go. And the hatch does say Hijet on it. Come on. Focus. Yep. Come on. There we go. Here's the front. You've got some molded plastic headlights. Decal for the grille. Here's the side of it. Here's the bottom. Oh, there we go. Let's hold it this way for a change. 1/55th scale. Yeah. So you have the Toyota Century. This one is 1/70th scale. Yeah. It's really small and 1/55th scale. So those look kind of goofy side by side. They don't. The two scales, they don't match. This is supposed to be small. This is supposed to be a big, long, luxurious sedan, and there is a very obvious size difference. Alright. It's cool. I like the little K-van. Awkward sizing. That's fine. Next up is the Aston Martin DBX. I don't really own a whole lot Aston Martin, but an Aston Martin SUV, that's unusual. And it's new for 22. Oh, come on. Don't make me hurt you. There we go. Sideways. Ooh, look at this. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nice color. Molded headlights. Looks like the grille might be a separate piece. I like the black roof. That's nice. I like the, well, cream, brown, odd colored interior. I get what they're going for, but it's kind of a weird shade. It's nice. Actually, I really like this one. It's still kind of plain in certain aspects, but I suppose I've never seen enough pictures of an Aston Martin DBX to really appreciate it. And despite it being another manufacturer trying to capitalize on the crossover game, it's a good-looking SUV. Well, in die-cast form, I suppose. I like it. It's different. And I like different. 1/66th scale. Can I help you? It's just a cat down here talking to me. Alright, here's the Land Cruiser. This is another 1/66th scale. Any day now. New for 23. Jeez, come on. Why you gotta do this to me? Unbelievable. Oh, just open, just peel. It shouldn't be this hard. Okay, I won. And now it's time to open this bad boy. Will it be right side up? My guess is yes. And I was wrong. That's fine. Yeah. That, I can understand the inspiration for that SUV and BeamNG, because holy cow, oh, one of them fell. The body. I like this generation Land Cruiser, and it's kind of a shame we didn't get these here in the States. You don't need to make a full-size luxury SUV. Not crossover, good lord. Make it like they're cheap in other countries, goodness. Hopefully the Land Cruiser that we're getting is going to be a very fun, competent, and reliable off-road vehicle. Here's the underside, Toyota Land Cruiser, 1/66th scale. Boy, you don't even get a sunroof in this one. It's a nice... Come on. There we go. It's not bad. I like it. No opening details though. Even like a hatch, or maybe even the doors would be cool, but that's okay. Alright, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is 12 Tomicas so far. And there's still 7 left to go. So, thanks for watching.